I'm not a black monkey. You know what I am?
I'm a princess.
You son of a bitch. Just. Yeah, let's just begin with that. Shit, loaded. It's loaded. Okay, it's good.
Okay. What the hell is this un? Okay, boys, the un is... A is un, okay? For some reason.
A Regirock!
Based on crack. Anyway, let's come back.
I'm Jaws. I'm the best. I'm perfect. I know. Like all the crowd is cheering for me right now. I'm perfect. I know. And suck my dick.
You don't have one.
هذا اللي يقولون عليها في منتصف الجبهة، في منتصف الجبهة والله. الله على الجبهة الهجومية للنادي الأهلي، على الجبهة الهجومية للنادي الأهلي. 4.
Okay. We already did the intro, so let's just jump into the tier list right now.
Before we start, we have a glitch, so the A place is un. So let's start, shall we?
On. Okay.
We're looking for thick Gardevoir. Hey,
Bulbasaur, put it in on. Put it in on, or else I will kill you. Put it in on. Put it in. Okay, that's even better. Bulbasaur is the best.
If let's not S un. I just realized because we're just doing the Bulbasaur himself, not the evolutionary line right now. Okay. So as you can clearly see,
so cool.
Bulbasaur is number 1 in the Pokédex and number 1 in my heart, after Charmander. And Purplup and Greninja and Trico.
Piplup! Mudkip. Say Mudkip or else I will kill you. Just say Mudkip, please.
And Mudkip and Kip and Meowscarada.
He likes Mudkip. Anyway.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？大は匠でギゼブ。
We have the next starter, Charmander, B.
Yeah, B, because to be honest, I like Charmander, but I feel like he's just a lizard with some fire. It's still
Obama.
cute.
He's Obama.
He's what?
Obama, a lizard.
Obama?
The governments are lizard people, you know that.
The fuck have you been smoking?
Your mom.
Stop with the mob's jokes. We are not in 2010. You son of a bitch. Just continues and put Squirtle in S tier. Cause Squirtle is my boy. Squirtle is the best first stage evolution of Kanto. Squirtle rules, and I'm nostalgic for Pokemon Talk.
What the F happened to the floor?
What happened to the floor? Dude, how are you still confused about this? What on earth do you mean? When have I ever been confused about the floor? Oh, I don't know. How about...
And this is Pokemon. What the f happened to the floor? And this is Pokemon. What the f happened to the floor? Well, now that we got that all sorted out, what the f happened to the floor? And this is Pokemon. What the f happened to the floor? And this is Pokemon. What the f happened to the floor? And this is Pokemon. What the f happened to the intro? Squirtle, nothing happened to the floor. Wait, what?
Ah. Well, at least no one can tell me I'm inconsistent.
The floor tentacles are consuming me.
Oh, all and see all.
Before we continue, can we just talk how Squirtle just got Dragonair to fall in love with him and you couldn't catch a single bitch? Anyway, let's go to Gen 2!
Fuck you. Cyndaquil, please, just... If you want to make me happy, which I know you won't, please put Cyndaquil in S tier. Cyndaquil is just so goddamn adorable. Just look at him, he's adorable.
I like Cyndaquil. I played through Johto a lot of times, but I always pick Cyndaquil. But he's just the first stage, so not the S tier what we're looking for. You know what I mean? His evolution is though. Anyway, Totodile.
So, Totodile, I feel like it's either a B or a low Un. Because, I mean, Feraligatr is an S tier, that's for sure. But, like, Totodile is, like, very cute. I'm nostalgic because I used, like, Cyndaquils and Silver used like a Totodile. So I remember fighting him and trying to fight him with my Cyndaquil, which is gone wrong because water beats fire and all. But no, I will shut up and let you put it in one tier. You choose. I will let you're free.
كما يقولوا في كوكب اليابان الشقيق لا تعطيني لحما سي فهمت اللعبة. انا شندور زكم والقحب. ذاك هو الفرق بين الانسان والحيوان. الانسان كمنه يستبي يجريكم ويش تاع الزبي ناصكم كذا.
You son of a bitch. I was going to say S tier. No, S tier. I agree with you. He's super cute.
We all love
But, like,
What? Do you know why we love Fuecoco? You know why we love Fuecoco?
Well, because he's dumb, because he's a bitch,
an idiot.
because he's the best.
We love him.
Yes.
He's so relatable.
He's so relatable. He has no thought in his eyes, and I do not have thought in my eyes as well. I'm depressed. I will kill myself.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Where are you going?
That was my window. Anyway, Trico S.
No,
Put
we
it in
still have
S.
Chikorita, you stupid bitch.
Oh yeah, Chikorita. Okay, let me talk.
I don't care. I put in on already. I love it.
Yes, I was going to say that too, because I love Chikorita. Bailey is one of my...
Why do you hate on her? I don't know. She's the best.
No, I love Chikorita. I love Bailey. I just don't really like Meganium because, like, he's just a Bayleaf. It's a Bayleaf with...
Go watch the video that Joe's uploaded. See me doing promotion for you, bro. I am good person.
Yes, you're the best. You're gonna suck my dick later, don't worry. Anyway, Trico! You son of a bitch. S tier, yes. His evolution, like Sceptile is my...
We don't talk
in my
about
top
evolutions
10.
here, still we haven't got to the evolutions, please. No spoilers, don't be a bitch, don't be a loose Torchic.
Torchic is a B, to be honest. Like, for me, it's a B.
I know it's a B, but it's better than Charmander. Hold on.
Yeah, it's better than Charmander. Like, that's Mudkip. Put my boy Mudkip in S, please. Please put my boy. Yes! Oh, you're making me so happy. I love Mudkip. He's like my favorite Pokemon of all time, alongside his evolution, and I think Froakie's evolution. Like, these three are my favorite Pokemon of all time. I love Mudkip. Mudkip is so cool. But I would give my life for Mudkip. He's perfect. Anyway,
let's go now to Gen 4, aka Sinnoh. Sinnoh and these nuts, let's go!
We're looking for thick
these nuts in Cynthia's mouth. Anyway, Turtwig.
Let me talk about Turtwig.
Yes, sir.
I personally couldn't put Turtwig in S tier. I can put in Un or B tier. To be honest.
Yeah, same. He's cute, but he doesn't deserve and he's not in the same place as like Trico, Totodile, Mudkip. Like those are the elite of Pokemons.
Yes. Same thing to Chimchar. I mean, he's a good first evolution, but he's not the best. Yes, he's not the best base for. And now.
Yes.
وختامها مسك. Patrick. Patrick.
Piplup is adorable. Yes, I agree with you. I mean, it's his evolution isn't my favorite of Sinnoh, but he's still so goddamn cute. He's adorable. It's an adorable little penguin. Okay, how can you not love him?
Let's go to the worst generations of Pokemon. Okay, let's go.
No, let me talk.
Okay.
Just his Yay! I was waiting for this moment for so long.
Can I just give my own thing for this fox?
Yes, you can, okay.
While he is not trash, but he isn't in B tier, so we're sorry we put you in C tier, to be honest.
No, it's wait. Can I say something, please? So, Fennekin is actually not a fox.
He's a dog. You're stupid. It's not.
No,
a dog. It's a fox.
It's not a dog and it's not a fox. You know what it is? I know it because I'm Algerian and it's like the animal of Algeria. It's a fennec, I think. You can look it up, and it's super cute, and it made me love Fennekin.
Say it in Algerian.
Yeah. It's it's not. It's our animal. Like it's our.
Say it in the Arabic word. Say the Arabic word as you say it in Algerian.
Wait. Fennec, and then we say just Fennec like English and French. Like we just say it. It's true.
Chestnut.
Yeah.
Let's go to Chestnut. Chestnut is cute.
Chespin.
Chespin. His name is Chespin. Okay. He's in B tier because he's cute.
Yes, and son of a bitch, you put Fennekin in B tier.
Low B tier. Best thing.
Okay, low B tier, but just put it in B tier because it's.
To be honest, I have to come clean. You know me, I'm a big fan of the ninja, but Brokey has never been the best Pokemon for me, so yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, same. He's cute. I like him in the anime and all, but just it's a frog. I love frogs, but it's just a frog. It's just a blue frog. Like
Poplio. Is your name Joss or John? I don't know.
Joss. G-A-W-S. Joss.
You don't get it. I mean the joke about John, the frog guy, PM7, no?
Oh, yeah.
Reshiram! Kaka! I'm a Reshiram!
Hi, this guy. Oh, yeah, okay. Poplio. Roll it. S.
Poplio, let's go.
Yeah, Poplio, Litten, please,
S tier.
Yes, S tier. I'm actually jumping right now.
Let's go.
Grookey.
The monkey.
Grookey.
S tier, monkey.
C tier, you son of a bitch.
No, I love Grookey, my man. Sabel is a C tier.
Okay.
Sabel is a C tier.
Fuck you, I love Sobol. Please. Okay, just low B, please, just low B.
But
please.
Okay, just for if you would suck my dick later. Okay, let's go. Scorbunny.
Son of a bitch. S tier. Okay, I get it. I mean, it's my favorite, but I respect your opinion. Sprigatito!
Okay, first of all, I want to. Okay, you know what? TikTok. We put in low S tier. I love her.
For me, it's a guy. Yeah, you can insult me, but I feel like Meowscarada, his final evolution, is more masculine than feminine. You can trash on me, you can fuck me, you can do whatever you want. Actually, you cannot fuck me. I wanna keep my anal virginity. I just wanna lose the dick one. So yeah.
Okay, boy Coco. Do we even need to talk? S
tier is the best. It's the best little boy. We have the Quaxley. He's No, he's worse than Sobel for me. He's worse than Sobel. I don't like him a lot.
Listen, you know that statement you did in your video? Also another shameless plug anyway. About I'm not mad at you, Bayleaf, Meganium. I'm just disappointed.
Yes.
That's me.
Yep.
Quaxley is a
That's
legend,
you.
but Quackwavel is...
Yeah,
Let's see, he might be the only D tier here.
Yes. He's thick though.